How to fix adjust date in WhatsApp. So for this issue, you have to change the date and time manually. To do this, just head over to Settings, scroll down until you find General Management. Then go to Date and Time. Now you have to turn off the toggle button beside Automatic Date and Time. By doing this, you can set the date and time yourself. So you can also turn off the toggle button beside Automatic Time Zone so that you can select your time zone. So after setting the correct date and time, you can go ahead and open the WhatsApp application to see if the issue has been resolved. So if this method did not work, you can enable your phone to detect the accurate date and time automatically by turning on the toggle button beside Automatic Date and Time. Now try opening your WhatsApp application if the inaccurate date error is resolved. But if this method did not work, you can try restarting or rebooting your phone, as this will relaunch all the apps and processes on your phone, which may fix any minor bugs responsible for the error. Another way to fix this issue is to update your WhatsApp application. So to do this, just head over to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and see whether an update option is available. So it is important to update your application, as an older version of the application can lead to an inaccurate date error. So if all of these methods still do not work, what you can do is to uninstall the application and then reinstall. So just go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and then tap Uninstall. Once you uninstall the application, tap Install and then open the application to see if the issue has been resolved. So those are the ways on how to fix adjust date in WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.